are going to love the 2012 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, electronic stability control, rear head airbag, tachometer, power outlet, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, pass-through rear seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.